Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I have one micro oven to repair. Yeah, this problem is, see, this paint has broken. Yeah, so in this situation, if you use, then it will spark. Yeah, it will spark, so we have to repair. And if you paint, no use. So we have to, before repair this, we have to clean nicely by sandpaper. Yeah, I'll clean it sandpaper, then I'll show you how to fix it. Yeah, take sandpaper. And then I'll clean it inside. We will be back. Yes, dear viewers, I have cleaned inside. Yeah, after that we'll use aluminum tape. Yeah, aluminum tape we'll use. I'll fix here aluminum tape, then after that we will be back. Yeah, dear viewers, I have put aluminum tape nicely. Yeah, hopefully inshallah it will work fine. Let's test it. We'll put some of water. We'll turn it on. Medium temperature. Let's try 3 minutes. So dear viewers, alhamdulillah, no sparking. Yeah, I hope alhamdulillah it will be okay. So let's see the water. Yeah, water is hot. Yeah, okay dear viewers, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and press the like button. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.